If you want to press fabulous cookies like these, do not use the cookie press that I'm reviewing in this video. I was so excited about this. It came with all these different cookie press tops and different nozzles, but the main concern I had from the start is all the flimsy plastic. As you can see, it's just not very strong of plastic. And then the entire press itself, again, while it looks solid, has a lot of plastic components that just aren't that strong. But I didn't know that, so I went for it. I followed a standard press cookie recipe and tried to use it in the press. And I didn't get a good catch of it, but the first time I tried to press a cookie, the whole press just busted apart on me. I'm gonna pause it with a freeze frame here in just a second so you can see what I'm talking about. See that? It just broke apart. So then I tried to make a really soft cookie dough. That definitely made a difference. I was able to press cookies, and while I was able to make all the cookies, it still was a super pain. It was constantly making terrible cookies. It was constantly not pressing correctly. And then the worst part is when I tried to wash it, all of the metal pieces looked tarnished and I didn't want to use it again. So please find yourself a well-reviewed, high-quality cookie press. I will be testing some as well.